Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Raghu here. In this class, we'll discuss about power set. In our last classes, we clearly discussed about null, universal, proper subset and subset. Please watch those classes and come back here. The link for the playlist is provided in the description below. Coming to today's class, this is a bit confusing to understand. Please try to focus it more about to understand power set. See, what is power set? The collection of all subsets of set A. See, all subsets of set A is called power set. It is denoted by row of A. The collection of all subsets of set A. Don't forget this point. Based on that, we are going to understand the concept. Example, with example we are going to understand. Example, set A is equal to, the set A contains A, B, C. The collection of all subsets of set A. What are all the possible subsets of set A? Empty set is a subset for any set. So 5 is a subset for set ABC. This is the first element, comma. Take the first element in the set A, B, C. A is a set A is subset of set ABC. If you write it as set A, understand, in our last class we clearly discussed the subset. Set A is subset of ABC. Set B is subset of ABC. Set C is subset of ABC. Set AB is subset of ABC. Set BC is subset of set ABC. Set AC is subset of set ABC. Set ABC is subset of set ABC. This is how we write. Because when we go next examples, you will get confused. That's why we are clearly explaining the concept. So this is how we write the power set for a given set. Now coming to the next examples, let's take A is equal to, in this set we contains element A, comma, set B. See, one of the element is set B. Now how to write the power set for this? Power set of A is 5 is a subset for any of the set. So 5 is the first subset for any of the set. So set A. Now take the first element A. Set A is subset of set A, comma, set B. Now the same way, take the second element. Second element, if you take only the second element, this element is subset of the set A. So set, what is second element? Set B. This is a subset for this entire set. Similarly, two elements, you take two elements, that is subset for this entire set. A subset of A, that is the property of subset. So set A, comma, set B, this is a subset for this set. This is how we write the power set for a given set. And we need to understand one more important property. Suppose set A has n elements. Power set of A has 2 power n elements. See here, how many elements are there? 2 elements are there. What is the power set of A? 2 power 2, which is 4 elements. 1, 2, 3, 4 elements. Similarly, how many elements are there here? 3 elements are there. Power set of A contains 2 power 2 cube, which is 8 elements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 elements. So if a set contains n elements, the power set of that set contains 2 power n elements. Similarly, take the next examples. Power set of an empty set is, see, A is equal to empty set. Pi is a subset for any set. So that's why power set of A contains set pi. Another way we understand, in this set we are having 0 elements. power set contains 2 power 0 elements. 2 power 0 means one element, which is empty set. That is how we write the power set. Now write the next one. Power set of A. We already know power set of A. What is power set of A? This set contains one empty set. So now how to write the power set of A? So in this we are having one element. What's that element? It's an empty set. So empty set is a subset for any set. So that's why pi is a subset for any set. Similarly, what's the element that present here? Pi. Set pi is subset for this one. So pi comma set pi. So in this we are having one element. So total how many elements? 2 power 1 elements in power set. 2 power 1 means 2 elements. So we got 2 elements. Similarly, the next one, power set of A. We already discussed up to here. Power set of A is 2 elements. In this we are having 2 elements. So how we write the power set? If 2 elements are there, 2 power 2. Total how many elements should be there in the power set? 4 elements. So pi empty set is a subset for any set. So pi is subset for any set. In this, what's the first element? Pi. Set pi is subset for this set. Second element. Set second element is subset of this set. First element, second element. Set first element, second element is subset of this. This is how we write the power set. Hope you understand. If you have bit confusing, do it again. You watch the video again and again until you get the clarity. So if you have any questions regarding the concept, please post your questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.